Good morning, everybody. We have been studying about economic activities, the primary activities, secondary activity, and the tertiary activities. Now, all these activities have some relation to each other. They are connected with one another. But now we are going to talk about economic activities. So, first, what are the economic activities? So, we can say that economic activities are those activities which helps you to earn money. These means economic activities. These activities give an income in return. It's the work that you do, and when you finish your work or when the time period is over, at the end of the month, end of the work is done, you get money. These are done, these means activities, economic activities are done to earn a livelihood. Now, people want to eat, they want to wear, they want a house. So, to purchase them, to buy them, we require money. We have to earn. For example, you can say that people going for work in a factory, those who go to factory means they are being said that they have to work for 1 month, and after the 1 month is over, they do continue for months and years, but they get a payment after a month. Farms, banks, hospitals, schools, etc. There are some daily wages worker also. They go for work and they ask for money in the evening because they have to buy oil, chili, salt, something to eat. The other is non-economic activity. So as already seen, economic activities are done to have an income, to earn money. The other is non-economic. So non means, you can understand, not. So these non-economic activities do not give any income in return. Non-economic activities, or these stands for non-economic activities, are done out of compassion, love, and care. Which does not produce any money. For example, we can say that doing social work, helping the poor, going to temple, mosque, church to pray, etc. These activities are non-economic activities. They do not produce money, but it is only for our internal happiness, to help someone, give happiness to ourselves and to others. Economic activities, non-economic activities. Now we are going to deal with the final goods. What are final goods? Goods. The goods word is used for items. Car, TV, headphones, speakers. These are final goods. These final goods are being manufactured in secondary activities. As this is final goods, the goods are either for final consumption or for capital formation. These final goods, the value of final goods is included in national income. For an example, what are the final goods? Already spoken before. Television, bread that we eat, or bakery items. Those are used directly. You go and buy, and those are finished products, and you just have to use it, consume it. After the final goods, we have an intermediate goods. Intermediate goods. Now, what do you mean by intermediate goods now? Can they be final goods also? The goods which are used up in producing the final goods and services. Understood? The very line says the goods which are used up in producing the final goods are and services can be known as intermediate goods. Like for an example, you can say a tire. itself is a complete product, but it cannot be, it is not until it is used to make a car. When it is fit with tubes, covered with, the tube is covered with the tire, then the air is filled, then they are fit up and a car is made. A windshield, a glass sheet of a car. Then we can take a daily example that we are using daily, that is flour. Flour, we grind the wheat and make a flour. It's an intermediate. Why? Because it has to be mixed with water to make it, turn it into a dough. In a dough, then it has to be flattened, then it has to be cooked, and finally you have the chapati. The value of intermediate good is not included in national income. Example, flour, cotton, etc. Why cotton? Cotton is a flower. A flower is obtained from agriculture, then it is spun to make a thread, then those threads are intermingled with each other to make a piece of cloth, then the clothes are then turned into, by stitching into dresses, uniforms, etc., etc. Therefore it is these cotton is not, because the cost, final cost is of the either cloth piece or the stitched clothes. So we have studied about the economic activities, non-economic activities, final goods and intermediate goods.